So here we have this new term called co-normal points. So basically you have this normal, the equation of the normal that you've just seen. In the diagram it's visible that from a point outside at max you can draw three normals. So remember, from a point at max, three normals can be drawn. Now what's important here is this word from, because a lot of times you get confused with at a point at max three normals can be drawn, but the answer is no. At a point only one normal can be drawn, because at a point there is only one tangent, and to that tangent there is only one normal. But from a point you can draw three normals. So at this point B there is only one normal, that is this PB. But from the point P I can draw three normals at max PA, PB, PC, right? Depending upon how many roots this has. So what I'll do is I'll substitute x1, y1 in this equation. y1 is equals to mx1 minus 2am minus am cube. So I'll make a cubic in am cube plus 2am minus mx1 plus y1 is equal to 0. Remember from here also there's a property which comes that sum of the slopes of three normals is 0, right? Because there is this m square term missing, right? So in a cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the sum of the roots of this cubic is given by minus b by a, right? But that is basically the coefficient of x square. So here your m square is missing. That means the sum of the slopes of the three normals should be 0. That is in fact one of the properties of normals, which sometimes you get a direct question based upon. So this is all about from a point. So if this cubic has three real roots, then you can have three normals, like in this case. If I put x1, y1 here, and if I can really construct three normals, then this cubic will have three roots for sure. And sometimes it might just have one root, so there only you can just draw one normal. But what is co-normal point? So from a point P, if normals are drawn to the parabola, for instance 3 are drawn here, so it's striking the parabola at ABC, then your ABC are co-normal points. So there's a lot that can be asked about all this. So once you write the equation of the normal, then you'll put x1, y1 in it, and then you will check that okay, how many normals can be drawn. Then if I ask you what is the equation of this specific normal which passes through C, then this PC must be satisfied, right? So you will choose that value of m. For which if you put the coordinates of C here, let the coordinates of C be x0, y0. So if you put the coordinates of C here, you'll choose that value of m which satisfies this equation, right? There will be one value of m because there is a normal which is being drawn. So a lot can be asked, a lot of questions can be formed around this, but the whole of the idea is what are co-normal points? So co-normal points are those points where the normals from the same point intersect the curve. So you have one point here, PA, PB, PC are the normals drawn from the same point P. So these three normals are striking the curve at 3 points. So those 3 points are co-normal points. That's all that you needed to know as far as the definition or the understanding of co-normal points are concerned. Now you can practice a few problems around this, and that should be it. So let's move on to the next subtopic.